The SAP Ariba Contracts certification has changed completely. This is no longer a simple multiple-choice exam. SAP now tests you through live consulting scenarios where an AI persona acts like a client, stakeholder, or project manager, and you must solve real business problems inside SAP Ariba Contracts. If you only memorize theory, you'll struggle in this new performance-based exam. In this video, you'll experience realistic SAP Archon-style scenarios, hands-on tasks, and the exact type of questions SAP now uses to evaluate consultants. By the end, you'll understand how SAP tests your decisions, not just your memory. Let's jump into your first scenario. AI Role Play Scenario 1. Contract Workspace Governance. You are an SAP Ariba Contracts consultant working with a multinational manufacturing company. The client struggles with inconsistent contract governance across regions. Now the AI stakeholder begins questioning you. Our procurement teams use different contract structures globally, and approvals are chaotic. How would you design SAP Ariba Contracts to standardize governance while still supporting regional flexibility? Consultant response. I would first implement standardized contract workspace templates to ensure consistency across all regions. Then I would configure regional project groups, role-based permissions, approval conditions by geography, standardized document templates. For flexibility, I would use conditional workflows so regional legal teams can apply local compliance requirements without breaking global governance standards. AI Agent Follow-up. Question: what would happen if regional users modified core legal documents without authorization? Consultant response: I would restrict editing permissions using role-based access controls. Additionally, legal approved clauses would be locked. Version control would track changes, audit history would monitor modifications. Only authorized legal stakeholders could approve updates. This protects compliance and contract integrity. This is how SAP evaluates candidates in AI role plays. The AI agent measures consulting communication, business reasoning, governance understanding, SAP solution design logic, not just memorized terminology. Pause the video. How would you handle regional approval conflicts between European and US legal teams? Think carefully, because SAP AI agents may continue cross-examining your answer. AI Role Play. Scenario 2. AI Agent, Legal Manager. Our company has compliance risks because departments manually edit contract clauses. How would SAP Ariba Contracts help us enforce standardized legal language? Consultant response: I would implement centralized clause libraries within SAP Ariba Contracts. This allows legal teams to maintain approved language, control clause usage, prevent unauthorized edits, enforce mandatory clauses. I would also integrate template-based authoring to automatically insert compliant language during contract creation. AI Agent Follow-up question: what controls would stop procurement users from bypassing mandatory compliance clauses? Consultant response: I would configure locked mandatory clauses, approval validations, controlled template access, workflow checkpoints before publishing contracts. Additionally, version control ensures all modifications remain traceable. AI Agent Cross-Examination. A supplier requests urgent edits to payment terms. Would you allow direct editing inside the workspace? Consultant response: not directly. I would route the request through legal and procurement approval workflows to ensure governance and audit compliance before changes are finalized. If you want realistic SAP AI role-play practice for the SAP Archon exam, CertsHero.com provides scenario-based SAP exam simulations designed around the latest SAP performance-based exam format. The goal is simple: train your consulting mindset before the actual SAP exam. AI Role-Play Scenario 3. Approval Workflow. Optimization. AI Agent. Our contract approvals take too long, especially for high-value supplier agreements. How would you optimize approvals without reducing compliance controls? Consultant response: I would design dynamic approval workflows based on contract value, supplier risk, department, regional compliance requirements. For example, high-value contracts automatically escalate to executives, standard agreements follow simplified approval paths, and parallel approvals reduce bottlenecks. AI agent follow-up. Question: what risks could occur if approvals are simplified too aggressively? Consultant response: oversimplification may bypass compliance reviews, increase legal exposure, create audit gaps, introduce financial risk. That's why workflow optimization must balance efficiency with governance. AI agent, cross-examination. How would you prevent approval delays during urgent supplier onboarding? Consultant response: I would implement escalation reminders, backup approvers, SLA-based notifications, and conditional fast-track workflows for approved emergency cases. This maintains operational speed without sacrificing compliance. Today you experienced realistic SAP Arcon AI role-play scenarios, focused on contract governance, clause compliance, and workflow optimization. More importantly, you experienced how SAP AI agents challenge candidates in the new performance-based exam format designed to test communication, consulting logic, problem-solving, governance understanding, and real-world SAP decision-making. To improve faster, practice realistic SAP exam simulations consistently. Visit CertsHero for SAP AI roleplays, scenario-based questions, mock exams, flashcards, and hands-on practice. For more real SAP certification simulations, subscribe to channel. Passing the exam is important, but thinking like a real SAP consultant is what truly matters.